Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Cadden and I am going to be your son or daughter's ELA teacher, also social studies, and I am in room A210 at Iroquois Elementary School. I have taught for 20 years. This is my 20th year, and I will be in my 17th year here at Iroquois in 6th grade. So I've been around here for a while, and I look forward very much to meeting your child. This school year is going to look quite a bit different from previous years, but we will get through it together, and I look forward to meeting your son or daughter. And I think we'll have a great year together. My expectations for this year are that we will do our best to make up for the lost time that from their 5th grade experience, and then we will prepare them the best that we can for 7th grade. I am going to make sure that your son or daughter has a positive experience. My goal every day is to teach them something new, and so if they come home and tell you that they didn't learn anything in school today, well, hopefully that won't be true. And I also have a relaxed style in my classroom, so we like to have a good time. I like humor. I want to put a smile on your kid's face every day. So hopefully they'll enjoy school very much this year. My year is going to be a bit different this year because I'm going to be having surgery on September 2nd. So by the time you're watching this, I hopefully will be home recovering, and I won't be back in the building until mid-October. In the meantime, we have a very experienced substitute teacher. Her name is Mrs. Crozier, and she'll be taking over for me for the next 6 weeks or so. So I'm going to turn this over to Mrs. Crozier, and she'll tell you a little bit about herself.
Hi boys and girls, my name is Mrs. Crozier. Like Mr. Cadden said, we're looking forward to meeting you and getting to know all of you. As he said also, this year is going to look a bit different, but as long as you come to school with a positive attitude and ready to learn, then you'll have a great year. So we are supposed to take you on a quick tour of the classroom, but before we do that, I just wanted to share a couple of the classroom procedures and expectations. First thing is that we would like you to come to class prepared, and that shouldn't be too hard because I'll be the one moving this year and you'll be staying put. So as long as you've done your homework, I know that we're not going to expect a ton of homework, but any homework that is assigned we feel is important. So come prepared to class with your homework done when that is assigned. Also, come with a positive attitude and be respectful of your classmates and myself, and the respect will in turn be granted to you. So here is the classroom. I'm going to flip the camera. So you're going to come in this door, and everyone will have their desk assigned to them, and you can see the desks are nice and spaced apart. You will have a Chromebook that you will be responsible for taking home and bringing to school with you every day. So making sure that Chromebook is charged is also very important. We have a sink where we'll be able to wash hands and keep ourselves nice and clean so we're not spreading any germs. And then the front of the room is up here. So that's where a lot of our curriculum and information will come on that smartboard. I hope you guys have a great rest of your summer, which isn't very much longer, but we're looking forward to meeting all of you and hope you are excited to be as excited to be back as we are. Bye.